farewell speech for a new opportunity. Good, good evening, everyone, and thank you for the wonderful farewell dinner. It's amazing to think I have worked at Delaney's family restaurant for 10 years, including the last three as your sole chef. I learned an invaluable lesson about preparing food to an exacting standard during my time here. Those fast-paced Friday and Saturday night shift test me, but I'm much better chef to my college. I value your friendship and the support you have given me over the years. Your hard work every night has helped me more than I can tell you. You are always organized, enthusiastic even when we cater big events like the ACME Record Industry Party. You always rise the occasion. Thank you to the Delaney family for making me part of your family. You took a chance on me fresh out of culinary school. I thought I knew so much after graduation, but your kitchen was my real classroom. Thank you for seeing my potential and always giving me new challenges and learning opportunities.